Look at this. There's a ambulance over there. I don't know if you guys could see. I'm gonna try and put my lens through it. How you doing?
All right, how are you?
Good, good. Yes, sir. Yeah, most of the people you find on these trails will be friendly. Oh, check that out. Hell yeah! Sick. Heck yeah, is that a... Don't know too much about classics, but I don't know if you guys saw that. You could let me know what that is. Don't know if it's a Camaro. I think it was a Camaro. Pretty sure. That's the soccer field, which is rare out here in Vegas. I don't know if you guys know, but you know, we're in a drought, so it's pretty cool when we have parks though. So there's some trash right there, you could tell. Some stuff got flooded out. I'm not gonna go in those tunnels quite yet. There's probably a whole bunch of rocks and debris of all kinds. I'm on the Segway, Segway something. Segway ZT3 Pro. Picked this little scooter up a couple months ago, and it's been too hot to ride out here. But right now it's, can't tell the temperature, but I believe it's around 80 degrees, which is not too bad for Las Vegas weather. Alright guys, well I'm just gonna keep on going, and if I see something interesting I'll turn this back on. Alright guys, so remember when I was on Lake Mead in Tenaya, I told you guys I saw an ambulance. Looks like I found it, so I hope everything's okay. I'm gonna take it easy over here. It looks like there was possibly a car accident. Hopefully nothing too bad happened. I mean, out here Vegas people drive crazy. Oh no. Uh-oh. Oh no, I hope everyone's okay. Alright, I'm gonna walk my scooter up. Looks like there's a car on the curb. Okay, looks like everyone's okay, so that's good. A whole bunch of road flares. Oh, I think they have the road blocked off. Oh no, they don't. Just a whole bunch of road flares. I believe I go this way. Didn't bring my baseball, so excuse my spit. Alright, let's see. Oh nice, a skate park. Wonder if it's full of water. Oh, it actually looks dry, huh? You guys dare me to you guys dare me to ride it? Oh, there's dirt. Probably shouldn't have gotten dirt on my wheels. Alright, you guys dare me? Let's do it. Oh my gosh. Oh Lord. I don't know if this is a good idea. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's some water right there. Don't want to hit that. Oh. Alright, I think that's enough fun. Oh, look at that. It says Crips. Oh, wow. I graffitied this. Alright, I don't want to get hurt, so I'm going to get out of this. Whew. Alright guys, so I was that way, maybe about half a mile. This is, I believe, the first, second. This is a fourth park, and you can see it right there. I started 24 minutes ago, and 4 miles is the fourth park. So far, there's been a park every mile, and this is just the trail. Bunch of soccer going on. I'm gonna get some water and I'll record again. Alright guys, so that was the park I was at. Just got some water. Passing this wash. We're coming up to the 5th park. And sorry, got a notification. 5th park by the 5th mile. So that's pretty neat. Thought this wash would be a lot more full. It poured last night, not gonna lie. It's been about 100 and something days since it's actually rained pretty good down here. Enough to see something. Alright, I gotta honk at these people or... Alright. Coming through. Thank you. Alright. So I believe that's a dog park, and this is like the actual park section. Looks like they're building something. See, and they say we don't have washes. There's a lot of washes down here. Alright. So it's got a whole bunch of... Can you guys guess what trail this is? I just found out by looking at the ground, and I seen a sign right there. So yeah, there's another park. Looks like it's got some beach volleyball right there with some real sand. Wait, I see some colors over there. Don't tell me that's another skate park. Oh my gosh. That will be crazy. I believe it is another skate park. Wow, that's awesome. So as you can see, lots of this one's a little smaller, but pretty neat, huh? Looks like some skaters are rolling up. Perfect day to get some shreddage, some carnage in. Just wanted to do a little top speed run. Whee! I don't know if you guys remember this park. Whee! It's a little funner going faster. I don't know how good you guys are gonna be able to hear me though. Anyways, if you guys like my video, let me know, and I'll start making more. Honestly, I could go down to the strip downtown, in the ghetto. Just let me know, give me some ideas and I'll record it. Oh, I believe I see a guy over there in a wheelchair. Poor fella. Let me see if I'll try and get that in. Gotta be careful on these corners, make sure no other bikers are coming up. Oh yeah. Make sure I hit the brake right here so I don't die. Oh yeah, poor guy, he's going backwards. I'd offer him a ride, but there's red stuff all over his shirt. If he needed a ride, maybe I'd pull him, but I don't know if he has blood on him or what. But anyways, I'm a couple miles from the house, so alright guys, have a good day. Subscribe. Later.